Get on my nerves, bro.
You can go. Nard Nisha.
Yeah, rock, paper, scissors. I want to turn up.
Hello, YouTube.
What's up?
Okay, so it's been a minute. Not much. It's been like a week.
Nah, I feel like it's been like a week.
It feels like it's been forever, but it's been like 2 weeks, not even 2 weeks. But anyways, we are back with another DIY. We are back at school, so we're gonna still try to do as many DIYs as we can for you, even though we're not at home where there's more space and more time. But we're in a dorm, but we're gonna make it work for y'all. So today, we're not gonna talk too much. Today, we are doing a DIY that I have no idea if it even works. So y'all gonna learn with us, we're gonna learn with y'all, and then see if the results give us some good. So
I'm about to die this drunk.
No. So this is the rug.
Girl.
It's clean, I just washed it. This is absolutely my favorite rug. It's been in my bathroom in my dorm for like 2 years now. And I love white, but I can never keep white clean. Like, me and white just don't get along. But I love this rug, but it's either gonna have to throw away or do a DIY because y'all, I literally have to wash this rug like every 2 weeks to have it anywhere near white again. So today I'm going to attempt to dye this rug navy blue. Does it work? We'll find out. I was gonna throw it away anyway if it didn't work, so win-win. We'll be back. What you doing?
Trying to be like Wizard Kelly.
Okay, so as y'all know, we go over our materials first. The materials that we're gonna be using today is literally 3 things, and two of them you should already have in your home, hopefully, and one we bought from our favorite place, Walmart. Thanks for the second shout out, Walmart. We love y'all. And so this is Rit dye, and we got it in the color navy blue. This was like $2.98 or something like that at Walmart. Y'all know I don't remember prices, but I'll cite it somewhere in the video if I'm wrong. And
there you go, girl. So, you know what? I'm gonna hold it. You know, you talk.
So I got 2 bottles. I don't know if 2 is enough. We're gonna find out if 2 is enough. If 2 is not enough, we'll go back and get some more. But I think 2 will be enough. And the second item that you should have in your home is salt. Salt is real cheap. This came from Walmart too. It's a great value brand. I think it's like $1, $2 or something. And then lastly, you need hot water. Then I also have my Hamilton Beach kettle. Electric kettle.
They're trying to get hot for real.
This is hot in like 60 seconds. I also got this from Walmart. It was like $19 and amazing. That's enough for me talking. About to get into the DIY. We working with about 4 feet of space. Cause this bathroom is real.
You see. Well, you really can't see. But
he touching the wall. If that makes sense. So we got the salt. So the directions on the Rit dye says to use half a bottle of dye for every pound of fabric. I don't know how much this rug weighs. I only got 2 bottles of dye, so hopefully it don't weigh more than 4 pounds. So yeah. So what we're gonna do is put a whole lot of salt in here.
Well, that's what I was going to do, copycat.
We got the salt. I don't know what the salt do, but it said put salt. Somebody on YouTube told me to put salt. Before I put the dye in it, I'm first going to soak the rug first, so I know that it's good and wet to accept the dye. And also make sure there's enough water in here to cover the whole rug. Okay, that's really hot. It would be easy if I could just do it in the tub, but I don't know if this gonna dye the tub.
yeah, I don't think we should do it in the tub.
I know it's cleaning. Or blame you. Now I'm gonna take this out and put the dye in here, and then I'm gonna put the rug back in. Oh, he gonna take that out. Because that's really heavy. I'm gonna just pour both bottles of dye in here and hope for the best. It almost look purple. Now that all the dye is in there, I'm gonna stir it up and then let the rug sit.
See, like she said, we letting y'all know if it's gonna be a fail.
You're supposed to wear gloves too. Oops, so y'all can see.
Hey, this shit look like a whole new rug though, for real.
So you can see some parts, like this part is dark and this part is a little light. So I'm just gonna make sure I really whoosh it around to make sure everything is getting covered.
Whoosh it around.
Whoosh it. My hand's gonna be purple for days.
It's like your ring out too.
Oh man. Oh, it didn't dye the ring. Okay, but let me take that off.
I wouldn't put it right there either.
Okay, y'all. So we're gonna let this sit for about 30 minutes. Oh, I hope this comes out. Read directions, kids. Reading is fundamental. Because I didn't read. But I have purple hands now. You know what I look like?
Seen Big Fat Liar? Well, he was more blue than he was in
No, that movie.
oh,
Child and Chocolate Factory. Big purple girl. Yo. We gotta get him and his childhood together. We'll let it hang dry for about 24 hours. We're gonna let it hang dry for about 24 hours and then we'll show you the finished results.
Why you not let me do my sandwich? A, B, C, D, E, L.
Okay, y'all. So, let's talk. As you can see, our clothes are different. We actually did this project like
a week
ago.
2 weeks ago.
In our defense, I got really sick, y'all. Like, really sick. As you can see, my voice is still kind of gone. I'm still kind of getting it back. But, like, I got really sick. And so, like, yeah, I just couldn't do it. Like, I was barely making it to class, so.
And this the last semester of senior year of college.
We're trying to get out of here. We love y'all. But we trying to graduate, too. But,
going through it.
So, with this DIY, Bernard says it's a fail.
It is. Because it's not what we pictured. It's supposed to be a navy blue rug. And then you gotta tell them all the stuff you went through.
Listen, y'all. DIYs are trial and error. So I don't think it was a pass. But I don't think it was a fail either. Like,
that jump was a fail.
It wasn't a fail. So let me tell you what happened. So we're gonna show you the after picture. But let me just tell you what happened so you can understand where I'm coming from. So the rug was supposed to be navy blue. I bought navy blue dye. So I let the rug soak in the dye for 24 hours. And took it out. It was navy blue. When I washed it, first of all, we're not even going to tell y'all how I stained my bathtub, my fingers, my feet, and everything else for like a week. But I cleaned it all out. Got a little chemical information going on, but I cleaned it out. But when I washed the rug, I hand washed it. I hand washed it.
I went there for that part.
Yeah, he went here. He don't help. I hand washed it. The rug. I basically just put it in my bathtub and rinsed it out. And so, to make a long story short, the rug is purple, but it's a pretty purple. It's a really pretty purple. So I don't like purple, but for people that like purple, it's a pretty purple. So we might do a giveaway, or honestly, y'all could just have the rug if you want it, because it didn't turn out how I wanted. We wanted navy blue, but it turned out to be a beautiful purple.
You're not gonna tell them how you got impatient and put the rug in the dryer?
He be trying to put folks on blast. I'm not a patient person, so this is a very thick rug. And so I didn't want to sit here and hang it up and let it dry for no 72 hours. It was going to take forever.
As you did that, it would be navy
blue.
blue.
It was not going to be navy blue regardless.
Yes,
it was going to be purple.
No, it wasn't, because it was
I decided to take it. I decided to take it downstairs to the laundry room and put it in the dryer. Long story short, I dyed the dryer purple. I dyed the dryer purple. So shout out to anybody that put their clothes in their dryer. It was not me. Dyed the dry purple, but the rug did dry. It took about 3 hours to dry in the dryer, and it turned out this pretty purple. So you'll see it in the after picture. But I don't call this a fail. If you like purple, watch this DIY. If you want navy blue, watch this DIY. You heard me? That was the end of our DIY. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe.
And also, when you come in, just let us know, like, future DIYs you want to see us do. We're really open to pretty much anything, whether it's going to be a pass or a fail. We're going to try it and still let you guys see our process so you don't make the same mistakes we do. And we have some more DIYs coming up. We have not forgot about the how we met video that you guys have been asking for. And we also kind of just want to give you some advice of challenges and stuff that we've been through as a couple, and to help you guys overcome that, such as financial challenges, trust challenges, and being engaged and soon to be married at a young age. So we love y'all. We'll see y'all next video.
Peace, YouTube. Peace.